Welcome back everyone. Today I'll show you how to change the pads on HIFIMAN headphones. This tutorial only works for the HIFIMAN headphones with round ear pads. Basically the procedure is pretty much the same for all headphones that are compatible with these pads. Okay, first I need to take out the new pads. I ordered them on Amazon for about 35 euros. These are lambskin earpads. They come with a specific opening for the attachment rings, so they can be attached without any glue. Inside these pads is memory foam, which I prefer in my earpads. They cup my ears and create deep bass. Here you can see that they can squeeze very tightly, but after a few seconds they're back in their original shape. I'm using these pads for my HIFIMAN He4XX headphones. Here they are already attached to the headphones. I'll show you how to do it. I have put the old pads in a carrying bag. Also, I need attachment rings. Here I wanted to cheap out and ordered 3D printed attachment rings, but they didn't hold up, and after putting them in earpads, I was unable to attach them to the headphones because they are too fragile and just break. You can see the breaking points on those rings. Original ones from HIFIMAN cost about $10 for the two of them, but the shipping to Europe was too big of a deal. So I did what every cheapskate does. I searched for a cheaper alternative on AliExpress and I succeeded. Here are the mounting rings from China. They are a lot cheaper and came with a free shipping, so I ordered 4 of them. In case if I break some, I still can have a functional headphone. I think they are the same as the original ones from HIFIMAN, because the quality feels too good for the price that I paid. Here are the original earpads. Manufacturer has chosen to glue original mounting rings to the earpads, so I cannot use the original rings to swap out only the pads. Also, the original pads got kind of sweaty after about 20 minutes of listening. I prefer the leather ones, so I had to go through this process. Here you can see that the diameter of both pads are the same, so the new pads fit perfectly. To show how to do it, first I have to take the pads off. You can do it by just pulling the plastic ring that is attached to the headphones. You will hear the plastic clips detaching. Here's the difference between these two pads from the backside. To train yourself for attaching the pads, I strongly suggest you to try to attach only the plastic ring by itself. It will give you a good feel how much you can bend the plastic and where the plastic clips are. You have to match the 4 plastic clips to the little mounting places on the metal ring. First 2 clips are very easy, third is pretty much the same, but the last one is always a pain. You have to bend the plastic a bit to let the clip slide under the metal ring. When attached, check all 4 mounting places and check if the ring fits evenly with the headphone housing. Now when you have done it, carefully remove the rings. Try to be as gentle as you can. It's still plastic and it can break. Now this is quite tricky. To get the pads on mounting rings, I suggest you to stretch the pads before trying to get them on mounting rings. After that, you can start to insert rings in the earpads. The plastic is bendable, but be careful not to break it. You'll have to stretch the pad and bend the plastic ring at the same time. When the ring is in, spread the earpads backside evenly. Do not overlap the plastic clips with the leather. Also, the earpad seam should be right in the middle of one of the plastic clips. I like to start the mounting process with a clip that is under the seam. This might be a bit frustrating, but eventually you will do this. Remember to work the plastic ring and do not stretch the earpad. Insert the first clip as far as you can, then insert the clip that is next to it. Always check if the clip is free of earpads material and that it's fixed in place. Next, using your fingers, get the clip that is across the clip you just inserted, and you're left with 1 clip to go. The last one is the hardest one. Again, check the clip if it's free and can be attached, then bend the plastic inwards on your fingers. until you hear a satisfying clicking sound, and it's done. Check if the ring is flush with the housing, and make sure that the seam is at the bottom of your headphones. That's it everyone. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, and of course subscribe. See you in our next video. Good luck everyone.